Just going to give it a try using this 8-pack of rechargeable nickel metal hydride batteries that I have. So I've put the adapter on there, we'll plug it in. Obviously we won't be able to get the lid on because it's the wrong shape, but we'll just see how it gets on. It really doesn't do reverse very well. Well, that was probably better than the first attempt yesterday. So using those batteries gave it more power. So it's not a complete dead loss. Fuhai Jingpin. I've had a look online and I've seen very similar ones, not quite identical to this. They've got slightly different features on the bodywork. They've got a circle just here. I don't know if it's a genuine fan or just a bit of decoration. Got one on each side. But yeah, gonna have to try it on the water, aren't we?
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.